If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Greetings, friends. Welcome back to Larry's Fountain Pen Review. I'm Larry. I'm your host. I'm here in Fort Worth, Texas. And want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving because it's almost that time, right? In a few more days. Isn't that right, Mr. Announcer?
Yes.
I think it's on Thursday, isn't it?
Yes, for us.
Yes, that's next week. So today's Saturday. So, okay. So this review is provided by the one and only Lena from Pen Boutique. So thank you so much, Lena, for all you help and all you do for the fountain community. You do a lot. I appreciate that. And I know they do as well. So, also while we're at it, a special shout to your staff. Thank you, Pen Boutique staff. You knock it out. Each and every one of you. You work hard, you work together as a team, and you put the whole package together, and that's what makes Pen Boutique shine. So, here's the pen. It's a Diplomat Magnum. Comes in a cardboard box, as you see here. And then when I think it's pretty cool, on the other side of the box, it has like little samples of ink. I guess that's what they are. And I believe this one looks like it's black. So let's get into it and see what it's going to do, because I like pens of all shapes, sizes, and colors. And we'll take it out. Beautiful pen, it's blue. Oh, I like the color, yeah. And comes on this little sleeve that you see it there. And it's Diplomat since 1922. They've been coming out with these really great, affordable fountain pens. They're made in Germany, and they also make ballpoint pens as well. And, of course, this is a fountain pen, and they'll use a converter or international cartridge. And it does have a nice, solid, beautiful clip with the name Diplomat on it. And this fountain pen, you can almost see through it, and you can actually see visible ink in there, as you see it right there. Can they see that there? And if you put the light to it, I don't know, can you see that any better? Okay, so that's pretty slick. And it has like little windows there. So let's unscrew this, and it's a pull-off cap. Before we get any further, let's just go ahead and weigh this right here and get that done for you. Here we go. And it weighs, with the cartridge in there, 13.8 Gs. So, we'll take a quick measurement here. All right. And that's going to be 5.25 inches. And it does post. Going to be about 5.90 inches, 5.90 inches. And let's do the cap. Why not, since we have it off? And then right, Mr. Announcer? Sure. And the cap's going to be 2.01 inches. And let's go for the girth while we're at it. Might as well. 7. So that's about 4.7 at the widest point there on the cap. And 5. Looks like it's going to be 3.8. Let's see. 0.35, 0.37, around 0.35 at the widest right here. So, turn that little jewel off. So, really nice, beautiful color. I mean, the blue is really a stunning color. I mean, it's a rich, beautiful blue, almost transparent. And you pull off that cap, and we will post this for those who like to post. And it posts nice and securely. And you can get these pens, I think, for like under 25 bucks, I think. They're real reasonable, and they're real dependable, and they're really nice. And let's unscrew the barrel and take out the cartridge. And I'm going to use that cartridge. I don't normally use cartridges, but I have so many that will snap, bang, it's in there, and the ink is going down into the feed and nib. But I have so many cartridges, I say, you know what, let's use it up for a bit. So, while that's getting some ink, we'll just do a little clip on the shirt, because I have a thick shirt on, and it's secured nicely. And on the top of the finial, you have the Diplomat logo there. And that's pretty much the end of the enchilada. And it does narrow down at the end of the barrel right here. Again, this is a really impressive fountain pen. I really totally am impressed with the color of this pen. It just looks stylish. It looks expensive. It doesn't look cheap, low end, nothing like that. It really looks strack to me. So let's pull off the cap, and as you go down the grip section, it's just a slight little step off right here, and you have a decent sized grip for chunky fingers. And I'll have Mr. Announcer, would you mind holding that, if you don't mind, sir?
It's nice. It's very, very light, but it does feel okay. I like the beveling down here. That it makes it easier for me to hold on to.
So it does have that, and as you go down the grip section, it has one silver ring right there. And let's take a little look-see at the nib. It does have Diplomat Magnum on it with an M for the size of the nib, and then there's your feed right here. And we're going to unscrew this once again, and there's the cartridge. So if you want to make this an eyedropper, you can't, because you have the little cutout sections on the side of each of the barrel there. So I think now it's time for a little writing test. All right, here we go. Are you ready? I'm going to use the same paper here. Name of the paper?
Ayush.
Thank you, sir. Here we go. Diplomat. Very nice nib on this sucker. Very nice nib, yeah. And the ink is very nice. Very nice nib. Really good ink flow. Nice smooth nib. Alright. And you can get a different line variation as well. So, really a remarkable fountain pen. I mean, so yeah. If you're looking for a dependable writer and you're just starting out on fountain pens, or you're on a budget and you want something that's going to look nice, you know, you can always try a Diplomat. I have a few that I use on a regular basis. I like them, and I'm very picky, especially on the nibs. So you're not going to go wrong with a pen like this, not at all. And if you lose it, you know, you're not out a whole bunch of money, and you're not going to bust the bank, hopefully not, with 25 bucks. But yeah, it does add up. I understand 25 bucks nowadays is a lot of money, so I know that very well. But there you go. And again, thank you to Lena from Pen Boutique, and thank you to the wonderful staff she has there for getting everything ready and sending it to me. And y'all have a blessful day. God bless Lena, your staff at Pen Boutique, and to all my wonderful viewers, subscribers, and to all the people in the world. A lot of peace and a lot of love coming your way. Be kind to a stranger. As always, don't text and drive. Goodbye.